Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to iPhone storage stuck on calculating category size in iOS 16.1.2. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution 1. Enable and disable airplane mode. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, enable airplane mode, then wait for few seconds and disable it. Solution 2. Turn off and on Wi-Fi. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, tap Wi-Fi. Turn off Wi-Fi, then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Connect your Wi-Fi. Solution 3. Reboot your device. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Scroll down, tap General. On the General page, scroll down, tap Shutdown. Now slider to power or slider to turn off your device. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Enter your passcode. Solution 4. Reset network setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Scroll down, tap General. Scroll down, tap Transfer Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Tap Reset network setting. Enter your passcode. Again reset network setting in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Solution 5. Sign out and sign in back Apple ID. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Tap Apple ID. Scroll down. Tap Sign out. Enter your Apple ID password. Tap Turn off. Then go back home page. Sign in Apple ID. Solution 6. Force restart your iPhone. iPhone 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 13 Pro, 13 Pro Max and 14. Press and hold the side button. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. Thanks for watching this video.